Using your Revolut card abroad is a straightforward process that can help you save money on foreign exchange fees and make traveling easier. To get started, make sure you have a Revolut account and a physical or virtual card. First, you need to activate your card for use abroad. You can do this in the Revolut app by going to the card settings and toggling on the abroad usage option. This will allow you to use your card to make purchases and withdraw cash from ATMs outside of your home country. Next, it is essential to understand the exchange rates and fees associated with using your Revolut card abroad. Revolut offers competitive exchange rates and does not charge any foreign transaction fees, making it a great option for international travel. However, some ATMs may charge a small fee for withdrawals, so it is crucial to be aware of these charges before using an ATM. When using your Revolut card abroad, you can use it to make purchases online or in store, just like you would at home. You can also use it to withdraw cash from ATMs. But be sure to check the fees associated with this. It is also a good idea to have some local currency with you when you arrive at your destination, in case you need to pay for transportation or other essentials before you can find an ATM. To avoid any issues with your card being declined, make sure to notify Revolut of your travel plans in advance. You can do this in the app by adding your destination and travel dates to the Revolut travel feature. This will help prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity and ensure that you can use it without any issues. Finally, it is essential to keep your card and account information safe while traveling. Make sure to keep your card in a secure place and monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. You can also use the Revolut app to temporarily freeze your card if it is lost or stolen, and order a replacement card if needed. By following these steps and being aware of the exchange rates and fees associated with using your Revolut card abroad, you can enjoy a hassle-free and cost-effective travel experience. Remember to always keep your account and card information secure, and do not hesitate to contact Revolut customer support if you have any issues or concerns while traveling.